Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of culinary convenience with the Ninja SFP701 Combi all-in-one multi-cooker, oven, and air fryer. If you're tired of juggling multiple appliances and spending hours in the kitchen, this 4-in-1 powerhouse might just change the way you cook forever. Get ready for a culinary journey like no other. Let's start with the most remarkable feature of this Ninja Combi. It's 4-in-1 versatility. It's not just a multi-cooker, it's a culinary wizard that can handle tasks like combi meals, combi crisp, combi bake, rice, pasta, sear, sauté, steam, bake, toast, pizza, slow cook, proof, Sous, Vide, air fry, and broil. Phew, that's a lot of cooking power packed into one sleek machine. Have you ever wished for a kitchen appliance that could whip up a complete meal in a flash? Your wish is granted. With the Ninja Combi, you can cook your proteins, veggies, and pasta or grains all at the same time. Say goodbye to endless waiting. You'll have a meal ready 50% faster than with a traditional wall oven. Say hello to the end of cluttered countertops and mountains of dirty dishes. The Ninja Combi is your one-stop shop for all things cooking. It's the only appliance you'll ever need to conquer your culinary adventures. Whether you're feeding a family or hosting a dinner party, this powerhouse has your back. Nobody likes doing dishes, and with the Ninja Combi, you won't have to. The Combi cooker pan does double duty as a serving dish, and all the accessories are dishwasher safe. That means cleanup is a breeze, leaving you with more time to enjoy your delicious creations. Prepare to be amazed by the Ninja Combi's innovative cooking technology. Hypersteam and air fry come together to create a culinary masterpiece. Superheated steam locks and juices, ensuring your dishes are moist and flavorful, while rapid cyclonic air crisps your food to perfection. It's like having a professional chef in your kitchen. Got some frozen ingredients you forgot to defrost? No problem. The Ninja Combi's superheated steam will quickly thaw frozen ingredients and cook them to a safe temperature in under 30 minutes. Say goodbye to last-minute defrosting woes. Whether you're cooking for a large family or entertaining guests, this Ninja Combi has got you covered. It can feed up to 8 hungry souls and accommodate 1.5 boxes of pasta, 4 cups of dry rice, a 6 lb roast chicken, 2 pounds of fries, a 10-inch pizza, or a 5 lb top round roast. The possibilities are endless. With your Ninja Combi, you'll receive a countertop multi-cooker, Combi cooker pan, bake tray, crisper tray, and a recipe book filled with 20 chef-created recipes and cooking charts. You'll have all the tools and inspiration you need to embark on your culinary adventures. In conclusion, the Ninja SFP701 Combi all-in-one multi-cooker, oven, and air fryer is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a game changer. Its versatility, speed, and ease of use make it a must-have for anyone who loves cooking. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to culinary excellence with the Ninja Combi by your side. It's time to elevate your cooking game to a whole new level.